How are you? Are you all fine everywhere? Today I am in Saharanpur. I am enjoying a lot with my friends Shivani, and these small children are with me. And I just want to say by the way of this video that life is not that much big that as much we have thought about it. Life is very small, very short. You have to live each and every moment of this life. You don't have to create a big year, a successful year or a big life. You have to just create beautiful moments, and that will be your complete life. Here I have learned a lot in this place where I have come, that every child, every person is so happy. They are enjoying each and everything. They are happy in small moments. They are not doing great things, but they are doing small things with great enthusiasm. Like this Amma ji is with us and she is enjoying a lot. She is smiling, a big smile is there on her face. So they are teaching me how to live. They are teaching me how to enjoy the moments. Everybody is here so zealful, so enthusiastic, so much fun is here. Every child is having a big smile on their face. They are enjoying the moments. This child which I am having in my lap, she doesn't have a mother, but everyone is taking care of her as if she is their own child. So these things teach us that life is not meant to be an only engineer, doctor or something. Life is meant to be a beautiful person. Like this child Devansh is here. He is enjoying the kite flying, and are you coming in the video? We all are enjoying with him a lot, and he is having a great smile. You can't even imagine the circumstances here he is living in, but he is still happy in those circumstances. Shivani is sitting with me over here. She is enjoying a lot with these small children. I just want to tell that we think that something big needs to be done, that we need to be IS officer or PCS officer or something great in our life. No, we don't need to be all these things. We need to be great human beings, simple human beings. Greatness lies in simplicity. We just need to be simple, we just need to be beautiful, we just need to be thankful for everything which we are having, because there are many people in the world which are not having everything, but they are still very happy with themselves. So it's a great day for me. It's a great time that I have come here, Saharanpur, for some work. I came and I just had a time with my friends. I'll catch you guys later on. Please do watch my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi. Please say hi.
Hi.